Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can clear RAM and cache on your iPhone or iPad device after updating your iPhone device to the iOS 26. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26 and now you want to clear the cache history of your iPhone device, then here in this video I'll show you how you can do that. So first of all, here you'll need to open settings in your iPhone or iPad device, then scroll down, then tap on general. Then here you need to tap on iPhone storage, and here you will have to review your all photos, videos and all the data, and here you will have to delete unnecessary data from your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here you will have to close this tab again, open settings in your iPhone device. Then here you will have to scroll down, and here you will have to tap on apps, and here you will have to search for Safari. So here is Safari, you will need to tap on this. Then after that, you will see this interface. Here you will have to scroll down. So here is the option of clear history and website data. You will need to tap on this. Then after that, here you will have to turn on this toggle from here. Then after that, tap on clear history. So after that, here you will have to scroll down, then tap on advanced. Then here you will need to tap on website data, and here you will have to delete all the available website data from here. So in this way, you will be able to clear cache and RAM history in your iPhone or iPad device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.